forgot to say that brushing my teeth is really hard, and I can only open my mouth 2 centimeters at hospital. That's not very much. I didn't realize that brushing my teeth would be so difficult because I have an electric toothbrush that is pretty skinny, but still really hard to fit it back there. So washing my mouth out with salt water and mouthwash has helped a bit. But yeah, that's another thing. It's the screws that were in my gums make it a bit sore to brush as well. And I've had blood and pus coming out of my nose and quite a lot of blood coming out of my ear. So that's another thing I wasn't totally expecting, but it's just part of the healing. It's leaking fluids. Yay. And my auntie dropped these nice flowers in for me today. I should just try and show you flowers. I'm very tired. I might take another painkiller because it's not quite covered and I'm getting a bit of a jackhammer headache. So that's me for now. I'm glad I didn't get both sides done at once. I can't imagine feeling double this. This is enough to deal with. My jaw does feel more stable than it did before the surgery. It's very tight and stuck, but if I even opened my mouth a tiny bit like that, I could clunk and click my jaw. So it was just so loose and just so effed up. So I guess this is good. It's the start of a new start in my life. And yeah, I'm glad it's over. And I just hope it doesn't get too much more painful from here, because it's already pretty swollen and sore. I've had worse headaches from my jaw. I've had an axe stuck in my head for days. And this just feels like I've been bashed over the head. And very tight and swollen, different kind of sore, but yeah, I'll get through it. Get through everything. And I've got my family and my beautiful dog here. And my girl. She's giving me some space.